If you're like me and tired of paying high energy bills every month, then I got a solution for you. By using Great Stuff Foam as part of a comprehensive energy saving plan, you can start saving money and see the results in your wallet. Every little bit adds up, but let's take a closer look. One of the most effective ways to save energy is by sealing air leaks, especially in older homes. If your home is newly constructed, chances are the builders have already taken care of this by using expandable closed-cell foam. The foam creates a powerful airtight seal. For smaller gaps and cracks up to 1 inch, you can use the gaps and cracks filler. And for larger gaps up to 3 inches, the big gap filler works best. The air inside of your walls is constantly moving, and during hot summer months, the heat from the outside tries to make its way in. While it's difficult to completely stop this process, you can slow it down by having proper insulation in your walls. The main culprits of air leakage are where different materials meet, such as wood and concrete or siding and chimneys. Applying foam to seal these gaps can be highly effective. Now inside your home, it's crucial to insulate around pipes, wiring, electrical and gas service entrances, outlets, and switch plates. Typically, homes have studs separated by 16 inches, and you can seal the hole drilled for pipes and wires with a little bit of spray foam. If your home has drywall in place, accessing these areas might be challenging, but it's worth keeping an eye on. You can also seal any gaps located on the top or bottom plates in your attic or basement. For electrical runs, use the identifiable orange fire block foam. Doors and windows are another area where air leakage commonly occurs. Using a thermal imaging camera, you can easily identify the areas of heat loss and work towards improving efficiency. Caulk and weather stripping can be effective, but they may lose their effectiveness over time. To enhance insulation, you can apply spray foam beyond the trim and then patch it up. The window and door spray foam is designed to be flexible, allowing for expansion and contraction without bowing or hindering window operation. Also, don't forget to seal the gap between the casing and the jamb of your attic door. Spray foam is made from polyurethane and can be quite sticky, so it's important to protect your eyes, hands, and arms while using it. If you make a mistake, you can apply a little bit of acetone before the foam cures, and there's even a foam cleaner from Great Stuff that can dissolve and remove excess foam. The reusable Smart Dispenser provided by Great Stuff allows the product to be used for up to 30 days once opened. Believe it or not, proper insulation and air sealing can reduce your energy bill by up to 30%. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Consider using Great Stuff for your next project and start saving money on your energy bills today.